Welcome back, and today we're going to be continuing with Project Frontier. As you may have already noticed, I have purchased a brand new 0-meter truck for mobile purposes, and I decided to upgrade from my 2002 Ford Ranger, which has served me extraordinarily, excellently well for many years. However, Alex has since gained employment, more on that in future videos, and he confiscated my work truck. So today is the day where I go ahead and start working on this bed here. So I have ordered a cap, and as I mentioned in the first video, we are going to put a deck system in this. And again, in the first video, I shared a few things that I liked and a few things that I didn't like. And I actually missed a few things, so maybe in the future or maybe final video of this series, once everything is put together, maybe I'll do a recap and go ahead and hit those points again. In the meantime, drop in the comments what you would like to know about this truck, maybe why I got it, why I chose it, and drop a comment and I'll try to formulate a list so we can hit all those points in future videos. So like I said, we're gonna be working today on this. Well, I'm not gonna be working, somebody else is gonna be working, but I'm gonna go ahead and have that installed, and more on that later. So here shortly we're gonna be heading over that way and we're gonna take care of business, so stay tuned. Okay, and here she is in all her glory. It's the next day around quitting time. I got kind of busy, so I had to rush over here and do a whole bunch of stuff, and then I had to transfer all my stuff over. So it took me a while to get back to you guys, but either way, here's the SmartCap, and this is their new Edge, Defender Edge edition, brand new for this truck. And there's still some stuff coming up that I'm going to talk about here soon, but all you have to do is press these little buttons here, the latches, and it comes right out. Look at that. So I already, like I said, I already transferred some of my stuff over. Not everything, because there's a few little details that I'm going to talk about here soon, and I can't accommodate just mostly my sockets and stuff that I have organized in the other truck. This is just from Harbor Freight, a little roll thing that I got there for now. So this is not the final product. I still want to put some accessories on here that are not quite out on the market yet for this unit. And we have what they call, I just got off the phone with SmartCap a little while ago, and they have the bins, the storage bins that go here on the side, as Molly bins or something. So it's going to be made out of something similar to this, so you can hook things to the through these little holes there, and it's going to be fully customizable. So you could put the drawers, you could put shelves and things of that nature. He mentioned, the gentleman that attended me on the phone, that said he could talk about it, but they don't even have them out. They can't even display them yet. They're still in the manufacture process, so they're probably going to be in back order right off the bat. So I definitely don't know what I'm gonna get yet, because I haven't seen the options. As soon as I do see some of the options, I'm gonna go ahead and decide how all of this is gonna go back together. But at least I got some of my stuff in here, so that's what I wanted. I got the deck drawer system, as I mentioned I was gonna get, and in here you can hold a lot of stuff. Actually, I got my jack, which I had to put this chisel there to keep this from flipping up, because if not it wouldn't fit. These jack stands, they're probably gonna go somewhere else, I'm not sure where, but I needed to throw things in here and you know, leave the other truck as clean as possible for Alex. So I did throw some tools here. They came with these little nifty like totes. This is just like a box with a cover, but this one is actually like a little tote, and there's another one that's twice as big actually. This is all included in the deck system, and I actually kind of like this. There's nothing in here right now, but as you can see, it's actually pretty handy. I like this. So if you have some pews, this may be something that you can, you know, take it with you and to the range or whatever. You could put a lock on it, keep all your stuff safe. It is weather sealed, as you can see. So I'm thinking I'm gonna keep some of these for other purposes. We'll see in the future. So you got a little cubby holes here, and on this side, that I'm probably gonna move from there. That's my vacuum pump. Probably gonna move that. I don't think I want that just laying there bouncing around. Probably gonna put it in one of these black things in the meantime. It didn't fit in here, so that's why I didn't put it there. There are some little hidey holes here on the sides, like right here, for example. I got some fluids and refrigerant there for now, until I figure out if I'm gonna put all shelves or drawers or something to put tools in. Like I said, I threw some tools in here already. I got these two toolboxes. I may do something different than this. I got my compressor. I am gonna get my hose reel back. I just don't know exactly how I'm gonna set it up. I did have one in the Ranger that I used for many years, and it's very useful to have a hose with you everywhere you go. So I'm probably gonna do something similar, either put it here or when I do get that bin set up here, since the bins are gonna be made out of something similar to this, and I don't know if it's exactly, or maybe the holes are gonna be bigger. I'm not 100% sure on that yet. What I'm probably gonna do is maybe put it to where the hose can go through here, and I just pull it out this way. That is yet to be seen. We'll figure that out in the future. But so far, I am happy with the overall look of it, the feel of it. Obviously, this bed I think is just a tad smaller than the Ranger. I think the Ranger was a little longer. This is a 5-foot bed. The 6-foot beds are hard to find, but I don't carry a whole lot with me anyways. This is just things that I carry to do simple on-site repairs or maintenances, you know, oil changes, brakes, you know, something that I can get in and out. I don't like getting too complicated with these weird troubleshooting and diagnostics. No, I don't want to mobile. I don't want to deal with none of that. I just want to get in and out, do no-brainer work, you know. I got my charger, I got this scan tool. I've had it for years, and I have all the way in the back, it's behind that. I don't know if you guys can see. There it is. I have that, what was the name of it? Auto Ingenuity. And I don't know. I gotta set that up on my laptop. Maybe I'll do that now that I'm goofing around. Because I got a new laptop a while back and I lost the program. I gotta reinstall it in my new one. But anyways, that's besides the point. I got some little screwdriver here holders. That's from Harbor Freight. See what else. Got some brake fluids here. Again, this is just a pre-setup. I don't know exactly the final product. That's why I'm saying this is going to be a series. As I do updates, I'm going to be doing other videos. Drop in the comments below. See what if you have an idea or suggestion, or just a comment in general. Drop it down in the comment section and let me know. I may have to look into it if you have a good idea there. I got the little battery tote thing there. These are magnet. I just made those. Nothing crazy. But yeah, man, this is coming along. Again, I'm kind of happy with the way it's looking. I wish they had these things out already so I can go ahead and just get them done. I don't know how far back here they're gonna come. I don't know. Maybe these are clues here. I see some bolt-on stuff. Maybe that's a clue. Because the last thing I want to do is do something up here, and then when I put the bin or something, it's in the way, and then I gotta tear it up again. I really don't want to go that route. I'm the type that I want to do something once and that's it. So I'll probably maybe get a toolbox or something, put it back here. I was contemplating on putting the cargo slide as well, but I didn't do it because of one, cost, and two, I wasn't sure what the final setup was gonna be. So again, I don't want to do something and then it be in the way. I don't know how much clearance I'm gonna have here. Am I gonna lose all the space? Oh, I do know they mentioned that the new molly bins are gonna have like a little saddle option, which is gonna be like a little box that I don't know if it's gonna come here or on the side. I'm not sure. That you can, it's gonna be like a long drawer that you could pull out and put things in there too. So that might be useful for something. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. I'm just waiting for it to come out so I can start seeing stuff, so I can get ideas. There is some videos out there kind of previewing it, but it's really not a whole lot of information, so it's not very helpful. But this is it. This is the setup for now. Again, this is gonna be changing here and there. I will be doing updates, so if you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification so you can get further updates on Project Frontier. So stay tuned for those. In the meantime, feel free to go ahead and watch another video in the channel. That helps me out a lot. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any ideas, suggestions, etc., etc. And as always, we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now.